All right, what it do, family? It's your girl, I go by Neek. Welcome to Register My Songs. Today, I want to talk to you guys about beats, how to own your beats. When it's time to make that perfect song, the first thing you guys do is you go looking for the perfect instrumental that is going to help you tell the story that you're trying to tell. Most artists I meet, I ask them where you get this beat from, and they say YouTube. So I want to show you guys exactly what you should be doing when you are purchasing your beats on YouTube. So before we get this video started, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload new content. You want to come to the description of the video and you want to see if the producer actually put a link in the description for you to purchase the beat. So for this particular beat, the producer did put the link in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the link. So once you click that link, you want to go ahead and hit the purchase button for the beat. Now the producer is offering you several options when you purchase this beat. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over each option and I'm gonna tell you guys what's the best option when you are purchasing beats. So this is a song license. This is for $9.95. When you pay the producer $9.95, the producer is going to allow you to distribute 2,000 copies of that song. So if you was to put the song on a CD, you will be able to sell 2,000 CDs. That's it. Now we have streaming, Spotify, Apple Music. The producer is allowing you to stream that song 50,000 times. What this means is that when you reach your threshold, you then have to go and re-up your license. This producer also is not allowing you to profit from performances of the song. So as you see, it says non-profit live performances only. So the producer is saying you can only perform this song if you are not being paid to perform. You cannot shoot a music video for this song. That is it. And used for music recording. So basically, the producer is saying you can record your song over this. So for me, if I'm the artist, I'm not paying $9.95 for this license because it's not really giving me what it is that I'm looking for. Now, if you just looking for a song to rap to and you'll deal with the logistics later, then you can go ahead and do that. So the next license is the song plus music video license. So in this license, they're going to allow you to get 500,000 streams. You can perform the song for profit. You can distribute up to 7,500 copies. You can shoot one music video and you can broadcast on one radio station. So this is what the producer is offering you when you license this song for $14.95. Now, as you guys can see, the first license, the producer is giving you the MP3. In this license, the producer is going to give you the MP3 and the wave. The difference between the MP3 and the wave is the quality of the actual sound. The MP3 is a finished copy and it's compressed. The wave is usually uncompressed, which allows you to get a little bit better sound, but not quite the sound that you really should want. As a musician, when you write and release your music, you are paid for the composition and the recording. We have places like BMI and ASCAP set up for you to get paid for your songs. So before you release your next recording, make sure you head over to registermysongs.com and download a copy of the HitchHikers Guide to Releasing Music. In this book, I show you step by step how to register and release your music like a major record company. So now we have a unlimited license. This license is $19.95. And what this producer is giving you is the option to get unlimited streams. You can perform this song and get paid to do it. You can distribute unlimited copies of this song. You can shoot unlimited music videos, and you can broadcast on any radio station as many times as you want. Now, this is a great license for a up-and-coming artist for $19.95. If you're just starting out your music career and you want to get beats for cheap, this would be a great option. But again, I want you guys to pay attention to the fact that the producer is giving you the MP3 and the wave only. And this is important because whenever you own a song, there is something that you have to have. If you do not have this, you do not own the song. And that is the stems of the actual beat. So this license, which is $30, $29.95, the producer is offering unlimited everything plus the stems of the beat. Now, let me tell you how important the stems of the beat is. When you go into the studio and you're recording a song and you have the stems to your beat, you are able to turn down hi-hats, turn the hi-hats up, turn the kicks down. You are able to fully and truly manipulate the beat and create the best sound quality, but it also means that you own every aspect of the song. So for instance, if you go in the studio and you rap over a beat and you punch in, you have the stems to your actual vocals. But if you don't have the stems to the beat, you don't actually own it. So this producer is offering $29.95. You're going to get the stems. You're going to get the MP3. You're going to get the wave. You can use this to record to. You can get unlimited streams. You can perform this song on stage and make money. You can distribute this song, unlimited copies, unlimited music videos, and unlimited radio broadcasting rights. That is what you're going to get. So as an artist, this would be my first stop because I want to be able to exploit my song as much as possible. Now that I have went over each one of the options that this producer is offering, I want to also introduce another option that is not offered, and that option is the exclusive rights option. The difference between this option, which is the unlimited, and the exclusive rights option is the exclusive part. Exclusive means these rights are granted to you only and not anyone else. So for instance, this beat right here that this producer is selling, he's going to sell that beat to you and whomever else decides to buy that beat. When you have exclusive rights, that means that you are the only person that has the rights for that particular time frame. And so for this particular option, this producer is offering everything that the other producer is offering: the stems, the MP3, the waves, the unlimited everything. But this producer is offering exclusive rights. That means you only. So both of these are good options, but for me, I would choose the exclusive rights option. And that's why I love BeatStars, because when you're searching for beats on BeatStars, you can actually tell BeatStars that you only want to see exclusive options. So let's do pop music, right? That's the genre of beat that I'm looking for. When I come over here to price, I can do my price range. So let's say I'm just willing to spend $50 on a beat, but I also want to do exclusive only. So this filter is going to show me beats that producers are offering exclusive options. Now, a lot of the times when the exclusive option is offered, the producer is asking you to negotiate the price. But what I also love is that there are a lot of producers who's going to actually put the price in there, so you don't have to worry about doing any negotiations. So for instance, this is a $25 beat. I haven't listened to the beat, so of course I don't know if it's good or not, but this is beat $25, exclusive license. You get the stems, the MP3, and the wave. That's a good option. So that's something that you want to actually look for whenever you're looking for beats directly on BeatStars, or if you are sifting through YouTube and you're downloading beats, you want to make sure that you're choosing beats that gives you the best option for ownership. If you want to learn how to protect your music, head over to registermysongs.com. Download a copy of the Hitchhiker's Guide to Releasing Music. In this book, I show you step by step how to register and release your music like a major record company. So use the link in the description right now and download your copy today. Lander is an innovative platform that provides a comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to empower musicians and elevate the quality of their music production. Click the link in the description and use my referral link and save 20% on your Lander Studio yearly membership. DistroKid is an independent distribution platform used by independent artists like yourself. Use my referral link below and save $7 on your yearly membership.